Did you think making passive income with Amazon print on demand would be easy? I did. I spent 8 months studying successful Amazon sellers, analyzing over 100 profitable t-shirt designs, and researching $500 worth of design courses. And honestly, most beginners were making maybe $30 a month, while competitors seemed to effortlessly generate thousands. But it was such a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter with the right tools and strategy. Here's the thing. Most people think Amazon print on demand is oversaturated, or that you need to be super artistic to succeed. But successful sellers aren't necessarily the most creative ones. They're the ones who understand Amazon's algorithm and use tools that automate the heavy lifting. So, to help you make Amazon passive income easier, here are 4 game-changing strategies I learned studying gelato that will help you build a print-on-demand business that generates consistent monthly income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use gelato's integration with Amazon, create products that actually sell, and set up systems that work while you sleep, even if you've never sold anything on Amazon before. And to get started, the first thing you need to do is create your gelato account if you don't already have one. To do so, you can use the link in the video description. Once you're ready, we can begin. Let me show you something that completely changed my understanding of Amazon print on demand success. So I was researching sellers who were manually uploading designs to Amazon merch on demand, spending hours on each listing, dealing with their complicated upload process, and honestly working harder than a barista during morning rush hour. Then I discovered Gelato's seamless Amazon integration, and literally within one study session, I realized how you could automate the entire upload process and create professional listings in minutes instead of hours. The traditional Amazon print on demand process is honestly exhausting. You create designs, manually upload each one, write descriptions, research keywords, and pray something sells. But Gelato's integration changes everything because it handles the technical stuff while you focus on what actually makes money. Creating products people want to buy. First, go to gelato.com and create your account. They offer integration with Amazon that most other print-on-demand services don't provide. Once you're logged in, look for the integrations section in your dashboard and select Amazon. Once your accounts are connected, here's where the magic happens. In your Gelato dashboard, you can create products and they automatically sync to your Amazon store with optimized listings, proper sizing, and professional mockups. No more manual uploads, no more formatting headaches. Now here's where most Amazon sellers completely mess up their strategy, and this mistake literally costs beginners months of wasted effort and hundreds of failed designs. I was studying sellers who were creating designs based on what they thought was cool or trendy, uploading them to Amazon, and then wondering why nobody was buying. They were basically throwing darts blindfolded and hoping to hit the bullseye. Then I learned about Amazon's bestseller rank system and how to use it with Gelato's market insights, and everything changed. The secret to Amazon's success isn't creating what you like. It's creating what people are actively searching for and buying. Amazon literally tells you what's working if you know where to look. Open a new tab and go to amazon.com. In the search bar, type funny t-shirts and hit enter. Look at the first page of results and notice what styles are getting lots of reviews and high ratings. These are proven sellers. Now click on best sellers in the clothing category and look at the t-shirt section. Write down the themes you see. Are there lots of dog lover shirts, coffee themed designs, sarcastic quotes? These are niches with proven demand. Look at products with 100 plus reviews, but aren't from huge brands. These are opportunities where individual sellers are succeeding. Click on these listings and study their titles, descriptions, and design styles. Now I'm going to walk you through creating your first specific product from start to finish, focusing entirely on the design process that converts browsers into buyers. Based on our research, let's create a coffee lover t-shirt that actually sells. I'm going to show you the exact design elements that make customers click Add to Cart. Go to your Gelato dashboard and click Create New Product. Select unisex t-shirt as your base product. Here's why this specific product works. Coffee lovers span all demographics, and unisex shirts have the broadest appeal. Now, let's design something that stands out. In Gelato's design editor, we're going to create a minimalist coffee design with a twist. Start with a simple coffee cup silhouette, but here's the secret. Add personality through typography. Create a design that says, "But first coffee," in a clean, modern font. Position the text above a simple line art coffee cup with steam swirls. Use black text on a white shirt for maximum contrast and readability. The key is simplicity that photographs well in Amazon listings. But here's where we get strategic with the design details. Make the coffee cup slightly tilted at a 15-degree angle. This creates visual interest and makes the design feel more dynamic than perfectly straight designs that look static. Add a small heart symbol in the stem. This subtle detail makes the design feel more personal and emotional, which coffee lovers connect with. The heart should be small enough to be discovered rather than obvious. For color variations, create the same design in classic black on white, white on black, and a warm brown on cream. These three variations give customers options while keeping your design work efficient. Here's where we take your coffee design and turn it into a profitable product line using design psychology that makes customers buy multiple items. The secret to Amazon's success isn't just one great product. It's creating a cohesive collection that encourages multiple purchases. Let's expand your coffee design into a complete lifestyle brand. Take your original but first coffee design and create these variations. Coffee is my love language, with the same cup design but different typography, powered by caffeine with a slightly more energetic font style, Coffee and Kindness for the feel-good market segment. Each design uses the same visual elements, the tilted cup, the heart in the stem, but different messaging. This creates brand recognition while targeting different customer motivations. Now let's talk about design placement strategy. Most beginners center everything, but successful sellers understand placement psychology. Position your design slightly higher than center, about 2 inches below the collar. This placement looks more professional and photographs better for Amazon listings. For sizing, make your main design element 8 to 10 inches wide. This is large enough to be clearly visible in Amazon's thumbnail images, but not so large it looks overwhelming when worn. Here's the advanced technique. Create seasonal variations of your core design. For fall, add small leaf elements around the stem. For winter, add tiny snowflakes. For spring, incorporate small flower details. Same core design, seasonal appeal that drives repeat purchases. Let me share something that literally changed my conversion rates. The psychology of color choices in print on demand. Most sellers choose colors they personally like, but successful sellers choose colors that photograph well on Amazon and appeal to their target market. For coffee designs, here's your strategic color palette. Primary colors, black, white, and warm brown. These are classic, photograph beautifully, and appeal to the broadest audience. Accent colors for seasonal variations. Deep burgundy for fall, forest green for winter holidays, soft pink for spring, and navy blue for summer. Avoid bright neon colors, complex gradients, and colors that don't contrast well with typical Amazon listing backgrounds. Let's talk about the real numbers because I know you're wondering about the actual costs and potential returns. If you were to start an Amazon print on demand business the traditional way, you'd need design software, $20 to $50 per month, stock photos, $30 to $100 per month, a designer $500 to $2,000 for a product line, Amazon seller fees $39.99 per month, and tons of time learning complicated processes. But here's what made me literally do a happy dance when I discovered it. Gelato's integrated approach eliminates most of these costs and complications. You get professional design tools, automated fulfillment, and seamless Amazon integration for a fraction of what it would cost to build this system yourself. And the return potential? I've researched sellers who went from $0 to $2,000 to $8,000 per month within 6 to 12 months using these exact strategies. The most successful sellers I've studied are making $10,000 to $50,000 per month with print on demand, and they started exactly where you are right now. The beautiful thing about Amazon print on demand is the truly passive nature. Unlike other businesses where you trade time for money, once your products are set up and selling, they can generate income 24/7 without your direct involvement. I know some of you are thinking, this sounds great, Mariana, but isn't Amazon super competitive? How can I compete with established sellers? Here's the honest truth. Amazon is competitive, but it's also massive. There are millions of customers searching for products every day, and new trends emerge constantly. With Gelato's design tools and the specific strategies I've shown you, you can create unique products that stand out from the generic designs flooding the marketplace. And if you're worried about the upfront costs, remember that this business model has very low startup costs compared to traditional retail. You're not buying inventory, you don't need a warehouse, and you don't handle shipping. Your main investments are time and the tools to create great products. If you want to see more tutorials like this, where I break down exactly how to build real passive income streams using specific design strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm constantly researching new tools and strategies that can help you create multiple income streams. And honestly, I'm so excited to see what you build with Gelato and Amazon. Drop a comment below and let me know what design you're going to create first. Are you going with the coffee lover collection I showed you? Or do you have another niche in mind? I read every single comment and love seeing your progress. Remember, the difference between dreamers and achievers isn't talent or luck. It's taking action with the right tools and systems. You have everything you need to start building passive income on Amazon today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to show you advanced Amazon advertising strategies that can triple your sales in 60 days. It's going to be amazing.